Good morning, my NPP peeps. Another wild ride in the S&P. We had a nice rally yesterday. Got all the way to this short-term uptrend line that was broken last week, nearly the 10 SMA. MACD started to turn up, RSI pointing up. Everything looking like a gap up opening this morning for the bulls, but no, boom, what do we get? A slap back down, right back down to the 200 SMA. Currently, right now, it's 30.49, which is right here, back at the 200 SMA. So we're still battling this 200 SMA. Bulls have a lot of work to do, and now the door is open again for the bears. So we need to watch this 200 SMA today. A close above and a good NFP report tomorrow, and we could blast right through here. A close below, and then a bad NFP report, bad reaction. We could come on back down here, try to double bottom. And if we lose this, we're coming right to here, this 27.46. So, right now, I think what we're doing, we used this move yesterday to unload a lot of, pretty much all short-term trades. And on this gap down this morning, I think we're going to look to add to a couple long-term names. Strong long-term names. We don't want to have any short-term or much short-term exposure until we either come down here and test these lows, because then we know there's a possibility for a double bottom, or we close above this 10 SMA, providing momentum to the upside. So right now, from this 10 SMA all the way down to this 28.70, this market could just continue to chop people up in this area. So, we're waiting as far as short-term trades goes until, one of these levels is touched, or this level's broken, or this level's touched. So, that's our plan. Really, this morning, there's one trade that we're looking at, a short-term trade, but at very, very small size. INTU it had a nice move yesterday above this 200 SMA, and is now gapping down to around the 275. So it does provide a nice risk-reward entry. We'll be going in very, very small size with a close or a stop on a close below the 200 SMA. Very, very small size. I really don't want any short-term trades on right now, but since this one did trigger yesterday, I will go in just super small, see if we can pick up a little win. But other than that, we'll be staying pretty quiet today and waiting to see how we close, especially tomorrow's close. I think is super important, because the NFP is going to provide that extra volatility, and will provide a catalyst for up or down. That remains to be seen. So we don't want to be caught on the wrong side of the trade. So we're going to be sitting on our hands, being patient, and waiting for the next best setup. All right, guys. Well, I will talk to you tomorrow. Ta-ta.